Is the Vaishno Devi ropeway project a boon to the economy or a blunder at the religious level? Tensions are erupting in Jammu and Kashmir as hundreds take to the streets in Katra on Sunday, opposing the proposed ropeway project at the Vaishno Devi
Shrine.
The protesters, including shopkeepers, workers and pony owners, are worried that the 250 crore project set to connect Tarakote Marg to Sanjay Chhat will bring in joblessness and blur the spiritual landscape of the pilgrimage. The demonstration turned violent after protesters clashed with police, demanding the release of several protesters arrested during previous protests against the project. Leading the rally was former Minister Jugal Kishore Sharma, who joined the crowd marching from Shalimar Park up to the bus stand. Protesters also adapted their anger over unfulfilled promises made by the district administration to resolve this issue. The Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti, leading the protest, announced a complete shutdown in Katra on December 18. The group believes that targeted at better accessibility, the ropeway project would damage the religious significance of the pilgrimage as well as disrupt the livelihood of people who depend on the traditional trekking route. Sharma emphasized that the protesters are not against
Shrine.
the board itself but against the ropeway project, which they see as misdirected and would harm the local economy. He and other leaders are appealing to the government to stop immediately, asserting that the project would put thousands out of work and adversely impact the economy of the town. The ongoing debate on the ropeway project has evoked heated arguments. Supporters say the project could boost tourism and ease the process of pilgrims reaching the
Shrine.
while the opposition sees it as a threat to the cultural and economic base of Katra. As the protests continue and the
Strike.
looms, the question remains, will the ropeway be a step forward for tourism or will it irreversibly alter the Vaishno Devi pilgrimage experience? As protest intensifies and strikes appear to loom ahead, whether the ropeway will be a boon or traffic or prove an irreversible act to the context of pilgrimage experience has to be seen.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.